Hello and welcome guys. So on this video I will do a step-by-step process how to install these S8 full port ROM for Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. So you need to carefully check which ROM and which version that it works with. Okay, so the next step is you need to go down into the computers and download the ROM. Okay guys, so the way you get this S8 port ROM for Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge, so you go on the link down below and click on the XDA forum post website. So here is the website, so you just scroll down. If you want to, you can read details of the ROM. So they say the disclaimers of the void warranties and stuff that is normal, and you can read about the ROM. So this ROM basically is the port ROM for Galaxy S7 device. Okay, so if you're curious or if you want to find another video to install, this is a review video, so you can try and watch that also, but please watch my video because this video is a step-by-step installation process. Okay, so what did it install? So it installed almost everything that you found on S8, including S8 camera, always on display and more. Okay, the way you want to download this ROM, this is a bit confusing, so you need to click on here. Okay, you see there's a ton of files you need to download, but listen carefully, but you only needed two of it, the add-ons and the ROM here. Okay, the rest is optional. So CSV files is optional also. If you want to update your CSV files, you can flash it in the custom recovery right after you install ROM and the add-ons. Okay, and I'm not sure what is ROM control mod is, but if you want to, you can also install it as well. How to install it basically is very easy. So you need to have twerp or custom recovery, and then you need to wipe. Remember, don't forget to backup as well. So you flash the ROM, flash the add-ons, and then you need to flash the CSV file, which is optional. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes and then done. Just like my last video how to install the ROM. And if you want to read, there's some bugs which I will cover that on my review video later on here, and the ROM, and then download. Okay, begin download, and then after it's done, put into the folder just like so. I already downloaded, put it somewhere in desktop or somewhere that you will be able to find, and then put this in your SD card or in your phone, where you can find and boot it up with the custom recovery later on. Okay, so the easy way is just plug your S7 or S7H in, and then copy that into the SD card. That's it. Moving on. Okay, after you got the files ready, you need to put this into your Galaxy S7. So the file is right here, and now I need to plug this in. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now it's up, and now you need to copy this into your card files, or in your phone. It depends on where you have more space on. So I want to put it here. So now you need to put these two files, the add-on and the ROM, inside your Galaxy S7 card folders, and made it copy and wait a few minutes. Okay, now if it's done, double check the files. So now you see the files is in here, and you go into your files where you save it. Let's scroll down here. So the file should be working. You should at least be able to open it. Just make sure, okay? Just make sure, because you can corrupt the files and ruin your ROM forever. Okay, to the next part, which is you need to make sure that you have at least 70% of battery or more. So if not, you just let you plug in and then do the process, or you just wait until you got enough battery to continue your process, because you don't want to mess up while you're installing. Okay, and then we go into the next part, which is boot into the recovery. Okay, now so you need to boot into a custom recovery, which in this case is twerp. If you don't have a way to boot into recovery, or you don't know how, just turn off your device and then press the home button, power up buttons, and the power button at the same time while it turn on. It should be running into custom recovery, but I have my own way to boot into recovery, so I use this app. So now you're running on custom recovery. you need to back up. Before anything else, you need to back up. Just follow the step, back up your file, back up your system. That should be it, and then you wipe here to back up. But I already back up before anything else, so I don't need to. But for you, you need to back up. Select your storage where you want to back up and then back up. Alright, and now this is the important part, wipe. So you just add one wipe. Usually you just format the data, press yes, it's gone, and then back and then format wipe again. So now you need to install. It's easy, just like the last video. Select your storage. It's in my SD card, so SD card, okay, scroll down where your files. Now here's the part that is a bit confusing. Usually the normal ROM you just install one files and done, but for this one you need to install both of the files, which is you need to install the ROM first, which is here, and then what to install. They say that it takes about 8 to 10 minutes, but I think for some device it will take up to 20 minutes, just in case you don't know. Okay, so now it's done. Just go back, okay? Go back, and then flash in the add-on. Okay, remember ROM first and then add-ons, or else you will mess up the device. Okay, make sure it's the right files, and then whoop, confirm, and then wait again. This shouldn't take long because it's gonna boot into your custom installer. Okay, this step is important, so let's just go on and press next. Okay, so you right here is all select which file you want to install. Just like the last Superman ROM, select what features or what part you want to install. That's it. Okay, let me take time and install my files. Okay guys, so I need to make this video real fast, so you will not able to see this. Okay, so I already done installing and I need to install it twice because, as I said on the end of the video, you will see over here, I don't like the navigation bar of the Galaxy S8 because it is unnecessary, because we already have navigation, the power home buttons and stuff down below. So I forgot to take this while I'm installed here, the navigation bar. I forgot to disable the nav bar, so the end result is you got the Galaxy S8 navigation bar down below. So if you don't run and don't like the navigation bar like me, don't forget to take this right here. Okay, let's continue on to the next part. Now after you're done selecting some of the files, click next. This will ask you which mods you want to install again. Just like the last video, how to install the Superman ROM. If you haven't watched it, click on the eye icon right there. Which, as I said on my last video, this is a thing that I love so much, which is using the earpiece up here and then the normal speaker as a dual speaker. I'm gonna go in-depth version again, or you just watch on my last video what it really is. Let's go next. So now we're gonna install. Yes, this is gonna take time. After it's done, click next. Now it's finished. So you will be running on the new ROM right now. So you click on reboot. Remember, after you tap yes, you need to give it the time for it to reboot twice. So just wait. And it's gonna stuck here for a while. Just give it at least 10 minutes to 20 minutes and then come back. Or else you will be making mistake like me, because sometimes it's just stuck there for a while and you're just trying to reboot and then you broke the ROM. But usually you just wait. Okay, I will be right back after it's done into the ROM. Okay, I'm back. So now it's booting to the setup process. So I'm gonna prove that this ROM working flawlessly. I'm gonna talk over here while I'm setting up my stuff. Alright. Okay, now so you see that I get this ROM up and running. I don't like this, you know, here. the navigation bar, which is necessary for Galaxy S8, but it's not because Galaxy S7 has this the button down below, so I don't think that is necessary, and I will try to find a way to turn it off right now. And this is also a proof that running on Galaxy S8, so you see the device said Galaxy S8, which is strange, S8 Plus. And they fake all the data, which I don't really like this method, which fake all your data, but you know, this is a port ROM, so you just do what it is. But don't forget to share, like, subscribe, you know. See you guys on the next video. This is just a step-by-step installation process of Galaxy S8 port ROM for Galaxy S7. And I will make full video, which is a review video about this ROM later on. Okay, don't forget to share, like, subscribe. If you haven't watched any tech review or ROM review, click on the eye icon to click on my playlist and watch some. Don't forget to like and give me some love by clicking on the bell button down below. Bye.